Welcome to VU Gate. Today, we are covering the most important MCQs for CS614, data warehousing to ensure you are fully prepared for your final term exams. Question 1. Which data warehouse schema denormalizes dimension tables? The correct answer is option B, star schema. Question 2. The process of extracting, transforming, and loading data is called. The correct answer is option C, ETL. Question 3. In OLAP, which operation changes data granularity from yearly to quarterly? The correct answer is option B, drill down. Question 4. Type 2 slowly changing dimension SCD preserves. The correct answer is option C, historical data. Question 5. Which index is best for low cardinality columns in a data warehouse? The correct answer is option B, bitmap index. Question 6. The main difference between a data warehouse and a data mart is. The correct answer is option C, scope. Question 7. Which architecture uses conformed dimensions across data marts? The correct answer is option A, bus architecture. Question 8. MOLAP stores data in. The correct answer is option B, multidimensional arrays. Question 9. A fact table without measures is called. The correct answer is option C, factless fact table. Question 10. Which partitioning method divides data by time periods? The correct answer is option B, range partitioning. Question 11. The grain of a fact table refers to. The correct answer is option C, level of detail. Question 12. A dimension table containing flags and indicators is called. The correct answer is option B, junk dimension. Question 13. Which ETL strategy updates existing records? The correct answer is option C, upsert. Question 14. The process of combining data from multiple sources is. The correct answer is option B, data integration. Question 15. Which type of fact table records events at a point in time? The correct answer is option B, transaction fact table. Question 16. Drill across operation involves. The correct answer is option B, multiple fact tables. Question 17. Conformed dimensions are. The correct answer is option B, shared across data marts. Question 18. Which technique handles hierarchical relationships? The correct answer is option B, parent-child hierarchies. Question 19. Archiving old data is called. The correct answer is option B, data purging. Question 20. Which OLAP provides real-time analysis? The correct answer is option C, HOLAP. Question 21. A fact table with multiple granularities is. The correct answer is option B, mixed grain fact table. Question 22. Validating data quality is called. The correct answer is option B, data profiling. Question 23. Descriptive dimension contains. The correct answer is option B, textual descriptions. Question 24. Slice and dice refers to. The correct answer is option B, selecting and rotating data. Question 25. Microsoft's ETL tool is. The correct answer is option B, SSIS. Question 26. Reducing data granularity is. The correct answer is option B, aggregation. Question 27. Rapidly changing dimension. The correct answer is option B, changes frequently. Question 28. Fact Constellation schema has. The correct answer is option B, multiple fact tables. Question 29. Best index for low cardinality columns. The correct answer is option B, bitmap indexing. Question 30. Loading data incrementally is. The correct answer is option B, delta load. Question 31. Improving dimension table performance. The correct answer is option B, dimension table indexing. Question 32. Drill through accesses. The correct answer is option B, detailed source data. Question 33. Fact table tracking processes. The correct answer is option B, accumulating snapshot fact table. Question 34. Maintaining historical accuracy. The correct answer is option B, slowly changing dimensions. Question 35. OLAP operation rotating data axis. The correct answer is option B, pivot. Question 36. Many-dimension handles. The correct answer is option B, rapidly changing attributes. Question 37. Partitioning distributing data evenly. The correct answer is option B, hash partitioning. Question 38, tracking data lineage. The correct answer is option B, data provenance. Question 39, dimension with multiple hierarchies. The correct answer is option B, multi-hierarchy dimension. Question 40, aggregate navigation. The correct answer is option B, automatically selects summary tables. Question 41, handling many-to-many relationships. The correct answer is option B, bridge tables. Question 42, updating data warehouse periodically. The correct answer is option B, refresh. Question 43, fact table with derived measures. The correct answer is option B, summary fact table. Question 44, degenerate dimension stored in. The correct answer is option B, fact table. Question 45, improving time-based query performance. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 46, managing metadata. The correct answer is option B, metadata management. Question 47, dimension shared across data marts. The correct answer is option B, conformed dimension. Question 48, drill-through requires. The correct answer is option B, detailed data access. Question 49, most time-consuming ETL phase. The correct answer is option B, transformation. Question 50, optimizing data storage. The correct answer is option B, data compression. Question 51, handling late-arriving facts. The correct answer is option B, late-arriving fact handling. Question 52, junk dimension combines. The correct answer is option B, low cardinality attributes. Question 53, fact table updated periodically. The correct answer is option B, periodic snapshot fact table. Question 54, ensuring data consistency. The correct answer is option B, data reconciliation. Question 55, improving ETL performance. The correct answer is option B, parallel processing. Question 56, parent-child hierarchy for. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 57, dimension containing hierarchies. The correct answer is option B, hierarchical dimension. Question 58, automating ETL workflows. The correct answer is option B, workflow automation. Question 59, handling large dimensions. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 60, Snowflake schema normalizes. The correct answer is option B, dimension tables. Question 61, fact table tracking many-to-many relationships. The correct answer is option B, factless fact table for events. Question 62, monitoring data warehouse performance. The correct answer is option B, performance monitoring. Question 63, data warehouse characteristic. The correct answer is option A, subject-oriented. Question 64, ROLAP stands for. The correct answer is option B, relational OLAP. Question 65, SCD type 1. The correct answer is option B, overwrites old data. Question 66, data warehouse refresh types. The correct answer is option A, incremental and full. Question 67, star schema advantage. The correct answer is option A, simpler queries. Question 68, ETL extraction methods. The correct answer is option A, full and incremental. Question 69, data warehouse metadata includes. The correct answer is option A, data definitions. Question 70, OLAP versus OLTP. The correct answer is option B, OLAP for decision support.